Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. Students, today I will be teaching you English 2. Answer me some questions. When you visit some places, which are the vehicles you used? You use or we generally use? Do you have the answer, no? You will say car, bus, rickshaw, and most of the time auto rickshaw. Everybody knows, na? Auto rickshaw. So our today's topic is Raju's Auto Rickshaw by Nicholas Hobsbawm. Now students, let me give you some brief about this story. Raju is a driver of the auto rickshaw and Mr. Bolu is the passenger in this auto rickshaw, who is very fat and tall, and he wants Raju to drive the auto rickshaw very fast. So students, this is a comedy story. So let's see what happened till the end. Now take out your books and take out chapter number 3, page number 27. I am reading it for you. Raju is driving his auto rickshaw. Mr. Bolu is sitting in the auto rickshaw. The auto rickshaw is going slowly. Tick-a-tack, squeak, rattle, trap, broom, broom, broom. The auto rickshaw is very old. Raju is tired. Mr. Bolu is a tall man. He is very heavy. The auto is going slowly. Mr. Bolu is not happy. See in this. So as you can see in this picture, their auto rickshaw driver is sitting and passenger is sitting behind him. So let's continue. The auto is going slowly. Mr. Bolu is not happy. Faster, faster, he shouts. Raju is going faster. The auto is making noise. Noise is a harsh sound. Taka-tak, 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 tika-tik. Now the auto is going very fast. So the students, in this page, we find that Raju is a driver and Bolu is a passenger, who is a heavy and tall man. And he wants Raju to drive the auto very fast. So Raju is trying, but he is very tired. So, and Raju is going very fast. And let's see what happened next. Turn the page number 28. Now start, I'm reading. The dog is sleeping at the side of the road. The dog is sleeping at the side of the road. The dog hears the auto coming. The auto is coming fast. The dog opens one eye. The dog sees a cat on the wall. The dog stands up. The dog runs across the road. Wow! Ho! Wow! Ho! turning. The auto is stopping. Hey, 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 shouts Mr. Bolu. Mr. Bolu is not stopping. He is flying high and high and high in the air. Hey, 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 shouts Mr. Bolu. Now he is on the other side of the road. He is high on the top of hip of the sags. Mr. Bolu is not happy and Raju is laughing. So students, now while driving the auto, Raju found a dog is sleeping on the road, and dog hears the sound of the auto which is coming very fast, and on the other side he also sees a cat was on the wall. So the dog driver is trying to cross the road, as you can see. So seeing dog is trying to cross the road, Raju shouts, "Wow, wow!" He tries to stop the auto. Then again Mr. Bolu says, "Hey, hey!" Bolu also says, "Hey, hey!" But the auto is not stopping. Mr. Bolu is flying high and high, as you can see. Mr. Bolu is flying high and high. And at last what happens? He is on the other side of the road. He falls down on the hip of sack. What is sack? What is the meaning of sack? Sack is large bag used to store goods. So now he falls down. Who falls down? Mr. Bolu. He is not a happy man. But Raju started laughing. And here we end the story. Now students, again come to the first page and underline some important spellings. See, look at the smart board. Our first spelling is auto rickshaw. Our first spelling is auto rickshaw. Spelling of auto and then rickshaw. R-I-C-K-S-H-A-W. Our second spelling is driving. D-R-I-V-E, drive, and we are breaking the syllable and we are adding ing. But as we can see, as when we are breaking the syllable D-R-I-V-E, the spelling of drive, and then we are adding ing. But when we are changing this into continuous tense, the E changes into I and the spelling becomes D-R-I-V-I-N-G. One more example I am giving you. Let me show you. Making. The same thing. M-A-K-E. Make. E. Then we are adding ing. It's a continuous tense. In continuous tense we add ing. But again the same thing happens. E changes into I and spelling becomes M-A-K-I-N-G. I hope you all have got it. You all have understood. Now come next. The same after making, we have the spelling sleeping. S-L-E-E-P. Sleep. And we are adding I-N-G. That is sleep. Then again we are coming to coming. C-O-M-I-N-G. C-O-M-E, come, and then ing. So the things, again this driving formula we are applying in coming. The E, when it is, we are adding ing, E converts into I. Then spelling is turning, T-U-R, adding ing, turning. Then coming stopping, S-T-O-P, and adding ing, it's become stopping. But here again the spelling changes and we add one more P. When we change into it continuous tense, and we add two P's, S-T-O-P-P-E-P-I-N-G. Then laughing, L-A-U-G-H-I-N-G. Then slowly, S-L-O-W-L-Y. Then tired, T-I-R-E-D, tired. Then faster, F-A-S-T-E-R, faster. Then hip, H-E-A-P, hip. Then sad, S-A-C-K-S. And then at last the name of the author, Nicholas Hosberg, N-I-C-H-O-L-A-S, Nicholas, H-O-R-S-B-U-R-G. These are the spelling, students. I hope you have underlined and you will have to learn by heart. Now turn the page. Coming to the question answer portion. Now see page number 29. Question number 1A. Students, the question here is, who is driving the car? So, who is driving the car? As we all know, Raju, the name of the driver, is driving the car. Question number B. Where is Mr. Bolu? Turn the page, you will find Mr. Bolu is sitting in the auto rickshaw. So where is Mr. Bolu? Mr. Bolu is sitting in the auto rickshaw. What is the dog doing? Students, what is the dog doing? Dog is sleeping. Why does the dog cross the road? We all know why does the dog cross the road? Dog sees a cat on the wall and that is why he crossed the road. Who makes the auto stop? Next question. Who makes the auto stop? Who makes the auto stop? Mr. Bolu makes the auto stop. But at last what happens to Mr. Bolu? Mr. Bolu fell down at the hip of the sads. So students, you will get everything on your worksheet which will be given soon, and I hope you have enjoyed this topic, and thank you.